It has some sort of soothing effect. The name of this thing has faded out. Hi sisters, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and when you do, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and you stay updated. So in today's video, I'm going to be moisturizing and detangling my hair. I don't know if you've seen the video of where I wash my hair. I'm going to link it up here. So I found this brush. It looked like that brush that was very popular on YouTube. I don't know the name. I'm going to insert a picture here, like one of those brushes. And when I saw it, I was like, this is interesting. I've never really used a brush on my hair. I've only used a Tangle Teaser once. I don't know how I felt about the Tangle Teaser. I can't really remember. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my hair. What I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair is my leave-in conditioner and water mixed with tea tree oil and peppermint oil, and I added warm water. And I'm going to be using my shea butter mixture below and also oil mixture. I'm going to put the list of oils I used in the description box below, so you guys should just check it out. And I'm also going to be trying out this. So I'm going to section my hair in two parts. I'm going to use my white tooth comb on this side, and then I'm going to use the brush on this side, just so we see how that works or the difference between each two. So it's time to reveal my hair, guys. I apologize in advance for how my hair is right now. So let's just start with the video instead of talking about my hair. Okay, I'm going to start with this section, and for this section I'm going to be using the brush. So now I'm going to spray the leave-in conditioner on my hair. The water is still warm, so that's great. I'm going to dampen it, and also while doing that I'm going to try to finger detangle my hair. I feel like it's damp now. When it's damp, I'm then going to add my shea butter mix, like a little tiny bit. I'm going to also add at the ends of my hair, because that's where it's the driest. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take the brush and start detangling. Hopefully guys, as they say, detangle from the ends. I don't trust brushes. I feel like they don't detangle my hair, but this feels really nice, honestly. Like, can you see it's going through the hair and actually detangling. All right, okay, so we're going to do this. This feels nice actually. Like, it's something I would want to continue doing because it's soothing. It has some sort of soothing effect. I don't know if it's just because the brush thingies are soft, or I don't know. But anyways, we moved. I'm done with this section, and this is what it's looking like. It seems detangled, so I'm just going to twist that down. First off, I'm going to start with the leave-in conditioner, just so it opens up my cuticles and my hair is ready to receive the moisture. I don't know why this is making noise. Why are you making noise? Now that I'm done, I'm just going to massage it into the hair and also finger detangle a bit. I'm going to go in with my shea butter mixture and then just start applying from the roots and build it to the top. When I'm done with that, I'm going to take my oil. I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to start detangling the hair. It feels weird because you have to make sure. I don't know if this is actually detangling my hair or it's just struggling. So now I'm done with this section, and this is the amount of loose hair I have. This is how much I've lost from these two sections. So I'm just going to keep that and finish up with this section, and then I'm going to see how much hair I lost using this brush. All right. So I don't think this brush works well with large sections. like separate this section a bit. I think it was too big or too large for it, so I'm going to try with a smaller section. So this is how much hair I lost from just one section, from that previous section. So I'm going to add it to the others and continue. So guys, I'm done with this section. Oh my god, guys, look, the name of this thing has faded out. What kind of fake brush is this? Oh my gosh, like there was the name written here and now it's gone. Turkish people cannot fail to surprise me. Like, look, it's really wiping off, and this guy told me it's
original brush from Germany.
I was just looking at him. I said, I know you're lying. In my head I was like, I know you're lying, but look at this. You see this brush? I'm going to detangle this part of my hair with my white tooth comb, and then I'll come back and give you guys my review on this brush. Hi guys, so this has been an interesting detangling and moisturizing video. I'm sure you guys would even figure it out. So this is the part I use the white tooth comb, and this is the part I use the brush. The part where I use the white tooth comb was way faster when detangling than using the brush. Maybe because I'm not really used to using a brush on my hair, I didn't really know how to go about it, and also the fact that these things were just, I had to hold it here to be able to detangle my hair. So that's one con. This takes more time to detangle the hair, and this goes straight to the point. This, you have to like make sure you are detangling it properly. Honestly, personally, I don't think the roots of my hair is detangled, but I'm just having faith and hope in it, just hoping it actually detangled the roots. But with the white comb, it goes straight to the roots. Another con is I cannot seem to detangle bigger sections with my hair. I think I'm just going to stick to my white tooth comb because it's easier, faster, and less stress, if that makes any sense. With this one, you always have to do it in smaller sections. Yes, it worked. It detangled my hair properly, I guess. I'm not sure about the roots though. It detangled my hair properly, but I don't think I would opt for this as first option. I think I would go for this as my first option because this just, it detangles bigger section way easier and faster, unlike this where I had to section a big part into two just so it's able to go through my hair. Maybe because I have thick hair, I don't know. And also my hair, see, my hair is really thick. The what's this called, they're already finding a whole different shape than they were when I bought them. So that's one of the reasons I don't use a brush, because it just ruins the brush. So I think I'm going to continue with this only maybe when I feel like, you know, thoroughly detangling my hair. I'll go in with my white tooth comb and then use the brush after in smaller sections, but generally altogether I prefer this. And also the shed hair I had from this section, using the white tooth comb, this is the shed hair, the amount of shed hair I had, and then for this section, this is the amount of shed hair I had. Holding them together, this had more shed hair than this. So I'm sticking to my white tooth comb. I'm sorry, but yeah, mind you, I've not detangled my hair since prior to washing it. I only detangled my hair now with two. The rest was finger detangling, and this is what I have, but this is way smaller than this. I'm sure you guys can see it. This is how I moisturize my hair, and when I choose to detangle my hair, I'm going to definitely opt for the white tooth comb because this is just so much stress. Maybe I should try a different brush, but this is so much stress. I don't really like using brushes on my hair because it's just time consuming. Okay, so yes, I've come to the end of my video. This is how I moisturize my hair, and I'm sure you guys also saw the difference between using the white tooth comb and the brush. So let me know what you guys think. Would you use the brush? Do you usually use the brush on your hair, or do you use a white tooth comb? For me, I've always used the white tooth comb, and I'm sticking to that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button when you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.